Hi, my name is Sean Sullivan, and my wife and I have served as missionaries to Eastern Europe, especially in Ukraine, for more than 15 years. And we just want to thank all of you for your faithful support for all of these years. We've been able to accomplish so much together. But right now, I'd like to make you aware of a situation that's developing in Western Ukraine. I can't give you the exact location. By law, we have to protect the dignity and the identity of the children that we're fixing to talk about. But there are 4 young ladies who have been removed from their families because of abuse and neglect. The parental rights have been taken away, and they've been placed in a trauma relief center in Western Ukraine. The maximum stay for these girls by law is 9 months. The good director there has extended their time another 9 months for a total of 18 months, which is the maximum time that they can spend in this trauma relief center before they're forced by law to go into the orphanage systems of Ukraine. That would be a very, very difficult situation for these girls coming even from an abusive family. Going into the orphanage systems, the federal system, is very, very difficult. There's dilapidated facilities and poor ratio of care, hard living conditions, and all kinds of other things that ruin the lives of these children. We're trying to keep them out of the orphanages and deinstitutionalize these children, and the only solution that the government has right now is to put them into the system. And so what we would like to propose is that we move these children into a family home where they can be in a Christian environment and they can learn how to be stable and safe and secure and gain a future and a real hope. The difficulty right now is that our only operational DBST family type homes where we have a license to take these children are located in Kiev Oblast, or the county called Kiev Oblast in Ukraine. And so the law prohibits us from moving children from one oblast or one county into another county in the country. The other difficulty is that even though we have facilities in the Western Oblast that we're talking about, the law prohibits us from moving children into a facility that's not specifically designated for home and family use. And so our hands are tied in regards to relieving the suffering and intervening on behalf of these 4 young ladies. And so what we would like to do, we have a proposal to purchase a small piece of property with 2 small homes that would allow us to immediately move a licensed and certified family trained by our team into that home. They have an adoptive spirit. They want to take permanent guardianship or adopt these young people. And we have the opportunity to purchase this piece of property and move these girls in, and then provide homes and family for children for many, many years to come because of that acquisition. And so the home that's located in Western Ukraine is listed at about $40,000. It's a modest home, but it has everything move-in ready so that a family could live there comfortably. We'll be immediately starting to do some repairs for about another $5,000 or $6,000. We'll be able to get the home to a much higher standard. And then support for that family will run about $12,000 a year, about $1,000 a month. Will support that entire family and give them plenty of funding so that they can repair and maintain the home and even add on for the future. And so what we're asking you to do today is to consider a generous donation one time to help us to make this acquisition for our ministry in Ukraine, provide a home in crisis relief for these children who are in need, and then provide homes for many children for years to come. Thank you in advance for what you're going to do. May God bless you.